Hey there! Have you been going from one PTE tutorial videos on YouTube or from one PTE tutorial to another, trying to memorize essay templates just to get a high score in your PTE writing, and yet you're not getting that score? My name is Juliet. I'm a Pearson Test of English tutor, and in today's video, I'll be showing you how you can get plus 65 in your Pearson Test of English writing. Let's just get started. The PTE writing is not a very difficult module. However, those two tasks alone cannot give you all those scores that you need. So we have scores from the PTE reading and the listening modules contributing scores to the PTE writing, especially the PTE listening, if you ask me as a tutor. Now, for this few number of years I have been teaching PTE, I have seen or I have known very well that the PTE writing depends heavily on the PTE listening if you want to get a good score. Now, I'm going to be telling you all the tasks that you need to do so that you can get a high score in your PTE writing. Now, aside from doing the summarized written test, which will give scores to both the writing and the PTE reading module, you can also do the write essay. Now, that doesn't mean that even if you don't do the write essay or the summarized written test, you still cannot ace 65. I'm going to shock you because I'll be showing you some examples of the scored practice test from the official Pearson, the owners of the exam, that I tried out. And I'm just talking from experience. I'm not just telling you what I heard from someone. Yes, I tried out those score tests just to find out exactly the number of tasks I can do or the particular task I can do for the PTE reading and the PTE listening that would give me a high score, especially if you're looking for plus 65. Now, guess what? If you're looking for plus 79, I'm not going to be revealing that secret here. Come to my Instagram, DM me, and pay me. Then I'll show you how you can get plus 79 in your PTE writing. Now, let's look at the tasks from these modules I have talked about, that is the PTE reading and the PTE listening, that can help you get plus 65 in your writing module. The first one from the PTE reading would be the reading and writing fill in the blanks. Now, if you do this task very well, trust me, you're going to get a high score. It's going to be contributing over 20 marks to your PTE writing. Let's say it's going to give you like 25 marks, okay? And which I'm going to be showing you very soon, how much it can contribute to your writing and even much more. Then if you do that task, if you try to know the vocabulary, try to improve your grammar, try to know collocations, and you're going to get a high score from just that task alone, from the reading module, okay, which will impact your writing module heavily. Now, if you do not know what collocations are, if you do not know what grammar rules are, or how to improve your vocabulary, please, I've got a lot of videos. You can check out my videos on my channel, and it's going to help you know how to go about improving on this task. Now, let us go to the listening module. The listening module, there's just one task I'm going to be talking about today. That doesn't mean that that is the only task from the listening module that can improve your PTE writing. But this task is the king of the exam, according to some of my counterparts that says the king of the exam. For me, I think is also a very important task in the PTE exam. That is write from dictation. Now, this task is the last task in the entire PTE exam, and it can be found in the PTE listening. Now, this task contributed 47 marks to the PTE writing, as I'm going to be showing you shortly. Now, if you do this task, which is 47, and you get about 35, or let's say you get about 30 from reading and writing fill in the blank, if you add 30 to 47, what's that score going to be? Please tell me again. Have you calculated it? Tell me again. That's even over 70. Now, remember I said when I was talking about the PTE listening that right from dictation is not the only task that is contributing scores to your PTE writing. Now, if you want to know more of these tasks that can contribute scores to your PTE writing from the listening module, maybe you're looking for plus 79 or 90 as the case may be, then send me a DM on my Instagram, and I'm going to show you just how you can do that after you have paid me for my free tips, okay? So yeah, this task I have mentioned will help you get a high score in your PTE writing. Have you been struggling to get 65 in your writing, or you've been struggling to get 79 in your writing? Then this video will be of great help to you. Now, I'm going to just go ahead and show you how I tried out the mock test and how I was able to come up with this idea that these modules can help you pass your PTE writing, even if you don't memorize templates for essay. I mean, a lot of people call me and say, oh, I want to know how to write the essay. Will you give me essay template? Or I have memorized like 3 or 4 templates from different YouTube videos. Now, essay writing will just give you 15 marks. I hope you know. Hey mate, essay writing will just give you 15 marks. That means that is not the only task that can improve your PTE writing. Doing right from dictation or reading and writing fill in the blanks will skyrocket you to that score that you need for your PTE writing. I hope this will help you today. Let's go into the other video, and I'm going to show you just how I did this task, and you can see their contribution to the PTE writing. All right, you can see the score test here, and you can see my name, and you can see the overall score. Let's go straight to the communicative skills. So I was trying to find out all the tasks for the reading and how much score they could contribute to the other modules. So reading didn't contribute any score to listening. Then I did the read aloud from the speaking, and you can see 25 there. Then for the writing, I only did the summarize it in test, and that was the only task I did for writing. Then you can see that writing score, which is 38. And you know very well that reading contributes scores to writing with the task reading and writing fill in the blank. So I got 38 with just a little mixture of summarize it in test. So reading contributes a lot of scores to the PTE writing. So if you take out the summarize it in test, which gives just 7 marks, you can know that the remaining marks will come from the reading and writing fill in the blank. So you can see very well here that reading contributes a lot of score to the PTE writing. So you have to make sure that the reading and writing fill in the blank is done very well. You have about 5 or 6 of that task on exam day, so ensure you do this task very well, because it will be contributing over 30 marks to your PTE writing. Okay, this is the score test D. The other one was score test B. This is score test D. And here I was only able to do right from dictation, which is the last task in my listening module. I didn't do any other module, no task from writing module, no task from speaking and reading module. I just did the right from dictation as the only task in the PTE listening. And just check out that score. I had 47 in my PTE writing and 39 in my PTE listening. So when I say writing depends heavily on the PTE listening, I'm very sure of what I'm saying. So these 2 tasks can help you get a very high score in your PTE writing. So getting 65 in PTE writing is very, very possible. If you can just follow all the instruction I have given here and just do the task I have listed out here, then you'll be sure to get 65 in your PTE writing. Now this brings me to the end of this video. I hope it was very helpful. You know, one thing that is really inspiring me to do more videos, because I've been getting a lot of compliments or a lot of results from people that have been watching my YouTube videos, and they've been getting their desired score. Yeah, they've been sending me their results. They've been telling me, thank you for your videos, they have been helpful. Now those words alone are really inspiring, if you know what I mean. You can find me on Instagram at English_prep class, and on Facebook at English Prep Class. Don't say, why are we looking for you on Instagram or on Facebook? Do you know what? I've got valuable content that I don't also share on YouTube that you can find on those social media channel. I mean, recently someone contacted me and said to me, oh, your Instagram handle, you've got really valuable and informative tips there. So yeah, that's why I always say you can find me on Instagram. Please, if you have not followed me yet on Instagram, what are you waiting for? If you are not subscribed to my YouTube channel, what are you waiting for? Just go ahead, click on the subscribe button. It's free. You're not paying me for that, okay? And remember to leave my adverts to play, yeah? And then I'll see you in my next video. Stay safe, guys. Bye-bye.